Okay, so today I'm going to make chicken tartare with tarragon, and we're going to make a nice salad. I've got round lettuce, a whole round lettuce. I'm going to chop this up, and some peas and bell pepper and avocado. All that stuff goes really nice with chicken. And we're going to have as always, some miso soup at the end. Always have the miso soup at the end of your meal, not at the beginning, because it's an appetite suppressant. And here's the dashi, which I made today, fresh dashi. And that's Japanese soup stock. And you make dashi, make dashi with kelp kombu, which is Japanese kelp from the Sea of Japan, and shiitake mushrooms, dried shiitake mushrooms, yeah. So, yeah, there's a link underneath in the description to two videos. One, a short video showing how to make 3-day supply and keep it in a bottle like this. Take the air out with a vacuum wine saver and keep it in the fridge. Can't put my hand on the wine saver for the moment. Anyway, and there's another video show the 28 health benefits, 28 at least health benefits of miso soup. It's a really long video, goes into real depth about miso soup, how to make miso soup. And the Japanese all live 10 years longer than us, so they must be doing something right, and they have miso soup at the end of every meal. At least that's what I like to think. Maybe they don't nowadays, but anyway, so I'm making, crushing the garlic. Garlic always needs to be crushed 10 minutes before you use it, so that the allicin can develop. There's an enzyme in the garlic, and in contact with oxygen it produces allicin, which has got fantastic health benefits. Very good, fantastic for your heart, and gets rid of blood clots. Very useful at the current time. So we want to do that 10 minutes before. I'm making probably a lot too much for our chicken tartare. It would all this garlic will probably overpower it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit at a time and taste it and see, you know, how much should be in there. And we got tarragon here. Tarragon is not really a very powerful herb. It's got an anise taste of anise, so it will give the chicken a bit of a licorice flavour. Yeah. Okay. So now what? So let's get the salad components out of the way. And yeah, so I'm going to chop the chicken, make the tartare. So I don't think I need to talk anymore. So you'll see me adding garlic, to the chicken, testing it to see how much should be in there. I think that's all you need to know now. So we'll cue the music, yeah? Cue the music, Neil.